Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cocktail nest. This unique, edible garnish adds a touch of elegance and fun to any drink. We'll focus on a simple spun sugar method that's surprisingly easy to master. Get ready to impress your guests with this delicate and delicious addition to your beverages, making every sip a special occasion. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and tools. You'll need granulated sugar, water, and a touch of corn syrup for the perfect consistency. For equipment, grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-resistant spatula. Also, have some parchment paper ready and a wooden spoon or rolling pin for the spinning process. Now, let's make the spun sugar. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in the saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Continue cooking until it reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, the hard crack stage. Carefully dip your whisk into the hot syrup, then quickly drizzle thin strands over a greased wooden spoon or rolling pin. Once you have a good amount of spun sugar strands, it's time to assemble your nest. Gently gather the delicate sugar threads, carefully shaping them into a small, airy bird nest form. Work quickly, as spun sugar is fragile. Place your beautiful, edible nest directly onto your prepared cocktail. Serve immediately to enjoy its crisp texture and stunning presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.